We are doing an official unboxing video, so if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button. Click it right there. We're going to be opening Viewer Thrift Flips, your boxes. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, so I set up a P.O. box because you guys wanted to send me things for me to flip. And you guys are sending stuff. So I've got one right back here. It's drying, so I can continue work on it. I got another piece in a box over here, and I got two new boxes to unbox. So while we're waiting for those to dry, we're going to open them. So this one came all the way from Florida. So Ray, this is your box. I'm not going to show you the address, but you paid too much for the shipping. Y'all, if you're going to send to me, try and use Pirate Ship because you'll get a discount, okay? You can't use the post office boxes, these boxes, but you get a better rate. So I'm going to ask you guys to please don't spend so much on postage for me. I feel guilty. It's like, oh, that's a lot of money you spent on postage. So Pirate Ship. All right. There is a lovely letter in here. Let me read this. Oh, you guys, I'm going to cry when you guys do this stuff. This is, Ray is just so sweet. She's been watching for a very long time. What is this? Trifold frames. Oh. Do not know if knew someone that could use these. Okay, so 50 cents for trifold frames. We're going to figure out what we're going to do with those. eBay stickers. I don't know if I could do anything, or if I know anybody that does a lot with eBay. I mean, I have some stuff that I started putting up on eBay, but oh, I love these creative tags, wood tags, guys. These are awesome. Oh no, they aren't wood. Oh, these are outdoor tags. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ray. You know I can use these, right? I'm going to use these. So much. Okay. And then she sent me this. This is so sweet, you guys. Okay. She remembered that my phone clip is not working. So she found a phone clip and sent it to me. Thank you so much, Ray, for my car. So you guys will stop falling on the ground. I want to cry when you guys are this sweet to me. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm clearly... It's defeated me, Ray. I'll figure that out in a hot second. All right, it's got more clip parts. Get to the flip part. Hang on. There we go. That's where that goes. All right, and then what are these? What are these? These were $1. What are they? Whoop. I have no idea. Okay, so we have, they roll. No, they don't roll. What are these? Oh my gosh, you guys, what are these? Somebody's going to have to tell me what they are, and then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with them. All right, I don't know what they are. And then she found, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. All right. This is cute. Look at the legs on it. Look at the freaking legs. It's just amazing. She said that she wanted to see me work my magic on it, and she thought maybe I could give it to Victoria. It looks like this would have had a photo in it of some kind. Yep, it's a photo holder and a mirror on the inside. So let me get that in there. You can see the full effect. So there's the photo part, and then the mirror would be inside, just so you can see. You know, it's a lovely little jewelry box. And the drawer, it's fairly clean inside. I mean, it's not bad inside. It's not bad at all inside. It's just a little loved up on the outside. It's a little dirty. You can see it's a little dirty. And it's from Gift Giant Ltd. This I like. You guys, look at the legs. We're going to have to do something special with these legs to call those out. But yeah, well, we're going to flip that for sure. Okay. And then the rest is just the packing material. So that's awesome. Thank you, Ray, so much. We're definitely going to do something with that. If somebody could tell me what these are, we're going to figure out what we're going to do with these. You know, I have an idea. All right, I'm not going to share the idea right now. Ooh. I have an idea, though. Like, when it starts to come to me, it comes to me fast. So I'm going to get this clip in my car. Thank you, Ray, so much. That's just incredibly kind. I really, really appreciate it. These, I really appreciate it. Love the outdoor tags. That's amazing. And this tri-fold frames. I want to open this. Okay. Tri-fold frame. So how is that a frame though? I mean, it's a piece of acrylic, right? And then you put it together with something. But there's no way to actually put like anything in there, right? This is going to take a little pondering. I actually might have an idea for this. Stay with me, people. This is coming back to get us. All right, that's very cool. Thank you so much. I'm going to put that in the box. I can't wait to do that other box. Now this box. You see it with the kitties on it? It came from the sisters. That's what it says. And again, guys used a lot of money to ship this to me. Oh, it's just staggering. Y'all. Pirate ship. Use the discount freight to send stuff to me and then I'll be all happy. To save money. Saving money is like one of my missions in life. Is to save money on everything. I don't know why things cost so much, frankly. Sorry this took so long to ship to you. Guys are not taking long to do anything, believe me. Ah, thank you. They love watching my videos. I love that you watch my videos. Appreciate that. I'm hoping nothing got broken in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys are sending me more than some thrift flip stuff. Okay. Let's unwrap this first one. Oh, hello. Oh, little ballerina lady. I love her. I love her. Would she just hang on the wall? She would have had something here. Is this one of those like flower hangers, I think? Because something would have been in here. I just love her. I love ballerinas. Fun fact, I thought I was going to be a dancer when I grew up. Turns out I'm short. This is fantastic. Like, why do I need to do anything to it? It's pretty awesome the way it is. I love this. This looks like it's just a wooden bowl. A bowl, or would it be just a plate? I don't know. I think it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. It's clearly like got hand carved detail in it. So we have that. Oh, I'm running out of room. Let's put that there. Oh. It's a base. It's a lamp base. It's a bowl. It doesn't have to be a lamp base, I guess. Immediately my mind went, lamp base. All right, well, we're going to find something to do with that. There's project paper in here. Collage paper. Collage paper. Guys, this is amazing. It's Verdick Ideology collage paper from Jim Holtz. Yeah, I'm going to find something to do with that. Good decoupage. And there's something in this bag. Oh, yeah, you sent me a picture of this, didn't you? Oh, no, 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 no. She broke. Oh, the post office done did her wrong, guys. Oh, she didn't survive. She's not even ceramic. She's plastic. How did they manage to F that up? Resin. Sweet Kids of the copyright Sweet Kids. So, okay, well, we're going to have to figure out. Oh, look at your face. You're a little horrifying and cute at the same time. Look at her. So creepy and horrifying and cute at the same time. All right, so she has a condition issue, clearly. She did not survive the trip to Minnesota from Missouri. Oh, little sweet thing. And she's not fitting back into place. What's going on here? Okay, so I will figure out what we're going to do about that. But she thought this could be a lamp. I don't know. Now I don't know. I am seeing something. You guys just are not going to want to send me things anymore because I have an idea. Yeah, I got an idea. She's cute, right? She's kind of cute in that horrific kind of way. But we're going to have to figure out what to do with her legs. If we're going to put them back on or find another way to repurpose her not requiring legs. There she is with her legs. Ah, there she is. All right. Okay, guys. So those are my thrift flip challenges that are coming up there. And more are on the way from what I hear. So challenge accepted, guys. All right. I'm going to get her packed up here. Sorry that she's in pieces. I had nothing to do with it. I did not drop this. It was all like this one. It was like that when I caught it. Oh my gosh. Like, seriously. All right. We're going to figure it out. Guys, I missed some stuff in my unboxing. Napkins. Look at this. Look at for decoupaging. And then this one's very cool. So it says Homer Hardware Paints and Oils Garden Seeds. This is the actual image. It's 20 by 30, and I don't have any idea what I'm going to use. And if you have any ideas, let me know. I am super excited to try that. It's a pepper grinder, salt grinder. It's like, it doesn't work. It's clearly been loved or run over with a truck. I'm not really sure which. That doesn't spin anymore. All the guts need replacing. So this has to be something else. We're going to have to upcycle that into something else. Whatever shall it be? I don't know. We're going to figure it out though. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet got one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, don't forget to click the links below. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, it's that little box right there. And if you want to send me a thrift flip challenge, the P.O. box is right here. It's also in the description below. Hopefully they notify me when stuff arrives. I was not notified of these two boxes. So they were sitting there for longer than they should have been. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.